Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll see how to run a test in Microsoft Edge. Before in the videos, we saw how to run the web drivers using Selenium web drivers using Chrome or using Firefox. Now we'll see how to run the same thing using Microsoft Edge. So just to use this Microsoft Edge, first we need to download the Microsoft Edge driver. Now to download this Microsoft Edge driver, we'll go to Google Chrome. So first we'll move to this Google Chrome, and then we'll move from there. We'll download the Microsoft Edge, and then we'll work accordingly. So here we'll write download Microsoft Edge. Now this takes you to the first link. Click on this. When you do here, click, then it gives you the option to Microsoft Edge WebDriver downloads. So in download, you have multiple versions here. I'll go with the stable version. And because I'm using Windows 64, so I'll go with this and I'll download this stable version. Now here, I'll go to my folder, and in this folder, I'll just I'll just copy the driver from there and add it to my project. Just a minute. So in this folder, I'll go to the download folder here, and this is the zip file for Edge driver. So I'll unzip this, I'll extract all. And once this is extract, then I have this Edge driver. So I'll copy this from here. I'll copy it from here and paste in the driver folders here. Now, once this is done, then as usual, I'll create a new class and I'll name it as Open Edge Driver. Open Edge Driver. And as usual, I'll take the first 3 steps. Here I need to change the driver details. Now I said this, here I have to change the driver details. Like first, I have to mention which driver I'm using. So webdriver.edge.driver is the driver name here. So I'll pass that here. And in next, I'll pass the location. So to get the location, go here, right click, go to properties. And from properties, go to the location folder, copy it from here and paste it here. Now, once this is done, Microsoft Edge is defined. Now I'll be using here the Edge driver class. So the Edge driver class here is named as Edge driver. Now I'll import these Edge drivers. And now it's ready to use. And here I pass the Amazon website link. So now I've installed the Edge driver. I have passed the locations, everything here. And now I can run the driver to open the Amazon website. We can do that. So let me run this code and see whether the Edge driver opens or not. So now when I run this, you see a Microsoft Edge opens, and here the Amazon website opens. So this is how the Microsoft Edge driver works. And this is how we install the Edge driver and use the Edge driver in Selenium. That's all in this video. Thank you.